Are you getting ready to take the Florida Teacher Certification exam? If that's a test you need to pass, then I'm here to help. I'm Dr. Mark Pearcy. I'm a professor of social studies education. I was a high school social studies teacher for 19 years, and I'm a test prep expert at study.com. This video includes a problem set for Knowledge of U.S. history. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few practice questions like those you'll find on the certification exam, and I'll show you how to approach selecting the best answer so you'll be ready on test day. Sound good? Okay, let's do this. First question reads, how many states had to vote to ratify the Constitution? A, 8, B, 10, C, 7, or D, 9? The correct answer here is 9. Article 7 of the Constitution required that 9 states had to vote to ratify it rather than a simple majority of just 7 states. This was intended to promote as much unanimity as possible in the ratification process. New Hampshire became the 9th state to ratify in 1788, and it made the Constitution the official government of the United States, though Rhode Island, interestingly, didn't ratify until 1790. Question 2. The Navigation Act favored A, textile workers, B, English merchants, C, Spanish explorers, or D, colonial businesses. The answer here is B, English merchants. The Navigation Acts of 1651 were a series of laws that were passed by British authorities. The laws were intended to promote British commerce by restricting colonial trade with American colonies and thus decreasing the flow of foreign imported goods. That favored English merchants, and it actually led to an increase in smuggling, which would become eventually a secondary cause of the American Revolution. The laws didn't help colonists since it restricted their trade options, and it had little to do with other countries like Spain. The third question, what were the settlers of Jamestown hoping to find to repay the investors in the Virginia Company? A, gold, silver, and raw materials. B, silver, iron, and diamonds. C, silver, gold, and diamonds. Or D, gold, diamonds, and raw materials. The answer is A, gold, silver, and raw materials. The settlers who came with backing from the Virginia Company, they hoped to find silver, gold, and other raw materials to help repay the investors for passage and supplies. Many of the initial settlers were nicknamed second sons since they came from well-to-do families in England, but were not the primary inheritors of their family estates, so they came to the Virginia colony expecting and hoping to get rich quick and then return home. There were little to no diamonds to be found in Virginia, though, either through mining or through trade. Question 4, which of the following figures was credited with the discovery of Florida in 1513? A, Juan Ponce de Leon, B, Hernan Cortez, C, Francisco Pizarro, and D, Christopher Columbus. The answer is A, Juan de Ponce de Leon. Ponce de Leon was a Spanish explorer who was credited with the discovery of Florida in 1513 while searching for the Fountain of Youth. Florida remained under the control of the Spanish for centuries until it was eventually transferred to Great Britain following the French and Indian War, which ended in 1763. Hernan Cortez is best known for exploring Mexico and conquering the Aztec Empire that he found there, while Francisco Pizarro accomplished much the same as Cortez, but in South America, while conquering the Incan Empire. And of course, Columbus was most famous for his 1492 voyage to the Caribbean, which spread the word in Europe about a new continent. I hope this video is useful for you in your preparation for the Florida Teacher Certification exam, and you're feeling a little more comfortable with how to approach the questions and answer choices. Check out more videos in this channel to get additional info about the test, and like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also get a lot of help preparing for this and many other exams on the study.com website. As a member, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice questions like the ones we just went over. We'd love to hear about your experience and what else we can do to help you get ready for your test. So leave a comment below with your suggestions, questions, and even come back and share with us how you did. Thanks for watching. Good luck. You got this.